The brush and spring assemblies transfer power to your rotary tool's armature. They consist of a carbon brush with a coil spring attached. The spring both transmits power as well as holds the brush firmly against the commutator. The brushes wear down over time due to constant contact with the armature. If the tool is overloaded, the springs can be burnt. Replacing the brushes and springs is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the brush caps. I'll unscrew the brush cap with a screwdriver. And the brush is just beneath the cap. To replace the brush, I'll align the new brush with the brush holder. Then I'll compress the spring with the brush cap, align the threads, and secure it. You want to be careful not to over-tighten the brush caps or you'll crack them. And I'll repeat this same process on the other side. And that's all it takes to replace the brushes and springs on your rotary tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.